This is my very old HP laptop that is too slow. I can't even run Chrome on it. But now I'm going to make it ultra fast like Ultron. Warning, this process can be so dangerous. Do it on your own risk. So now put this laptop upside down and remove its big battery and put this battery aside. Take a screwdriver and open all the screws. I was expecting that this screwdriver will work, but this is not working. So I thought, should I bring something excellent tool that will make it possible? Just wait a minute, I am coming. Please wait a while, okay? So I bring this potato knife. I don't know what should I call it, but when I tried with this knife and this actually worked, so I was happy that screwdriver can't open my laptop but a knife can open. So that is miracle, right? Or just a coincidence? Oh hell no, I'm so bored right now because of this video was actually shoot around 3 months ago, and right now I am giving this video voiceover so I can publish this video on my YouTube channel. And I don't know guys, how would you like or react on this video? And because the thing is, I wanna be a YouTuber and I love technology, so I just choose to make some tech videos, but I don't have much time to make this all possible, so I have to make some videos around in a month or whatever, but I will try to make more and more videos in future with consistency. So now I opened this back panel and my laptop PCB looks so rusty dusty. There is a HDD. I have to replace this HDD with SSD. SSD is more faster than HDD, so we have to now remove this hard disk. Now I am figuring out how can I remove this hard disk. So now I am gonna tell you what we will gonna do with this laptop. So first of all, we have to replace this HDD with SSD, because SSD is very fast and it can load application and operating system very fast. After that, this laptop was previously running Windows, so we will replace that operating system with ChromeOS Flex. ChromeOS Flex is a Linux based operating system designed or developed by Google. So finally we took off the HDD and now it's time to replace it with SSD. You can buy a SSD online or offline, whatever you prefer. Now assemble this laptop and don't let your parents know that you were doing something tinkering with laptop, because my parents don't like when I do tinkering with laptop or hardware things, because they think I will make things worst. So don't caught by your parents, and if you caught by your parents, don't let them know that you were watching my video and doing this thing, okay? Promise me. I'm kidding guys. Now it's time to turn this laptop on and see that this laptop is working or not. Now take another laptop and plug a pen drive on it. On another laptop, go to PowerShell and follow these commands. So we are going to use diskpart utility tool that will help us to format our pen drive. By the way, you just have to watch this video and just follow the exact instructions what I am going to show you. So finally we have created our bootable pen drive. Now it's time to load our operating system in our old laptop. Plug this bootable pen drive in our laptop and just press power button and press escape button. I have HP laptop, so I am pressing escape button so I can get into boot menu settings. If you have another company laptop, just Google what is my boot menu key for my laptop. Now boot this laptop through pen drive and wait a while. It will take some time, around 2 minutes or 5 minutes, depend on your hardware. Now we have successfully entered to ChromeOS Flex. It's time to install ChromeOS Flex. Just follow this procedure. Now it will simply install ChromeOS Flex. It will take around 30 minutes, then you will good to go. Here you have to sign in your Google account. You are all set. You are ready to use Chromebook. Don't you guys think this looks so beautiful? You can customize it, you can browse on it, you can do almost anything you want, and it will run smoothly. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe.